Hi, my name's Anna Lawson. I'm food and reviews writer at BBC Good Food, which means it's my job to test a lot of products, including new food and drinks and equipment like blenders, chopping boards, knives, box graters, you name it, I've probably tried it. So today I'm going to be testing charcuterie hampers, so hampers and gift boxes of cured meats. On the cheaper end of the spectrum, it's a gift bag from Great Glen Charcuterie and it's £25. The one in the middle is a gourmet charcuterie selection from British Fine Foods. It's £40. And then this one is the artisan charcuterie lovers box in an extra large. So it's £89.95. Plus, if you want to have this hamper, you pay an extra £12.50. So I'm just going to put these ones down and start off with the £25 one from Great Glen Charcuterie, see what's inside. So this is the £25 box. It's the only one that didn't need to be put in the fridge, so all the products are ambient. Which means it's quite good if you're sending it to someone as a gift ahead of time. Cool. So this one comes in like a little nice Hessian bag. Like that, which I think is cute. So it comes with a little booklet. So what have we got? A chili venison chorizo. We've got a venison and pork chorizo. And a venison chorizo. And then got pork and venison salami with black peppers, which looks delicious. Venison salami with white peppers and mustard seeds. I mean, all of this looks delicious to me. And venison salami with green peppercorns. Cool, so I'm really excited to try these. I think we'll start with something sliced. I do like spice, so I'm going to go for the chili venison chorizo. Just going to slice through there. Oh, it smells really garlicky. That's really good. I'm sure you could cook with this as well. It's really nice, like some chorizo's a bit hard and sort of gristly, but that's super, super soft. And it's got a nice chili kick. Really delicious, that. I'm going to try one of the sliced ones now. I feel I'm going to go for venison salami with green peppercorns, because that sounds delicious. And it won a Great Taste Award in 2017. So it's really nicely sliced. I really like that. It's very rich. The venison makes it taste rich. Really nice peppery flavour from the green peppercorns. Really nice texture. I really like that. And I think all of this is actually really good value for money, because in each one you get a pretty hefty amount of slices. So to be honest, I'm really impressed with this at the moment, but I'll move on to the next one. So the next one, the mid-range, is £40. It's called the Gourmet Charcuterie Selection and it's from British Fine Foods. Comes in a nice box with a bow. There we go. Cool, so this one has some contents that need refrigerating. So that's what you get in that one. So this £40 mid-range one we've got in it, we do actually have two of the same products from Great Glen, so I won't try those again. They're included in things. This is a mixed box of charcuterie from different places. So we've got the venison salami and a venison chorizo. And then we've also got this wild fennel saucisson. And then we've got sliced smoked duck breast. That sounds really interesting. And then we've got a paprika loin. So this is from Moon's Green Charcuterie. So this one's more of a mix where you get different charcuteries from different places across the country. So I'm going to go for this one, which is a wild fennel saucisson. Which is basically like a French cured meat, cured sausage. Cool. So again, like nice slices, a bit more coarse than the last ones. And these ones have got little nibs of fennel seeds in, which is going to be delicious because pork and fennel is just an amazing combination. It is really good. So this is from Moon's Green Charcuterie. Yeah. Salty, bit garlicky. Nice flavour from the fennel seeds, which really works with the pork. That's really good. I'd happily put that out as a charcuterie option for guests if I was having people around. So this one sounds really interesting. It's from Wheeled Smokery and it's sliced smoked duck breast. I don't think I've ever actually had anything like this before. I don't actually usually love duck, so this will be a good test. So it looks very sort of almost like ham, like proper ham-like. Okay, yeah. So it's like a lot more the texture of like cooked meat. Definitely has a smoked flavour. It's more like cooked ham that you might have in a sandwich or something, rather than eating it as charcuterie. So yeah, I mean, it's not my favourite, but it is definitely more interesting and a little bit different to other things that you would usually get in a charcuterie set. So I think if someone was like a real meat lover and wanted a real good variation, then this is a nice set of products. So I'm just going to pack these away and then open the big final hamper. Cool, so this is the last one, the big one. So it's going to be £89.95, so we're expecting there to be quite a lot in here. And also it's extra £12 if you want this lovely hamper, wicker hamper, which might make it good for a gift. I'm going to open it up. And again, this one has products in which you need to keep in the fridge. So if you are sending it as a gift, it's something you need to bear in mind. So it's from the Great British Charcuterie Company. So I'm going to turn it around, but you can't see everything because there's layers. So once I take all of this out, if I lift it up there, we've got a few meats here. So we've got Mangalitsa ham, Akari salami, might not be pronouncing that right, but hopefully I am. Yorkshire ham, smoked wild venison, and then we've got beer sticks, plum and port. That looks like, it doesn't say what it is, just looks like a cured sausage. A Cornish seaweed and cider, looks like a salami. And then we've got Cornish chili chorizo. And then we've got Yorkshire andouille. And we've got balsamic caramelised onion chutney. Some crackers, which are beetroot, potato and spinach. And then a jar of duck rillette. So there's a really good selection of things here. Very excited to tuck into them. So these are quite interesting. I'm intrigued by these beer sticks, which is British pork leg. And then they've been cured in like spices, chili, salt. I guess the idea is that you have them alongside a beer. So they're kind of like hard. I feel I'm not going to be able to chew that. Maybe I'll cut into it. So that's like hard and chewy. Really good flavour though. Garlicky, salty. Tastes a bit like a chorizo, but harder. More of a snacking sausage. So I'll maybe try one of these sliced ones. I'm going to go for the Mangalitsa ham. So this is the Mangalitsa ham. Nice slices. Really nice and salty. Okay, so it's a bit of like a firmer texture than some of the others. It's not slimy or anything. It's got good bite. Really nice and salty, like proper, makes you want to drink. I'm gonna try the crackers because I think it's nice that this set, because it's more expensive, comes with other things that go with the charcuterie. So you've got a nice little chutney here. So this is a balsamic caramelized onion chutney from the Snowdonia Cheese Company. Yeah, smells oniony. Yeah, I mean, it's quite sweet and oniony, but again, the sweetness will work well because the meat's so salty. So I think that's a nice accompaniment. And then the crackers are beetroot, potato and spinach crackers. So sounds interesting. I don't know if maybe I would have preferred a plain cracker than these beetroot ones. But maybe actually the sweetness of the beetroot will work against the saltiness of the meat. Yeah, I reckon that's the case. So let's try another meat with the cracker. So I'm going to open this Yorkshire ham. So it's nice. It's like that nice kind of Parma ham-like texture. It's quite similar. Yeah, so these crackers are quite interesting. Not sure massively how I feel about them, but it is nice that it's slightly sweet from the beetroot, which does work well with the salty meat. This has a little bit of a smokiness to it as well, which I like. Okay, so I'm going to pack this back away into its box and then get the others up and see what we think about all of them. Okay, so I've got all three of the charcuterie sets in front of me here. Not gonna lie, don't know how to decide on this one because I think they've all got positive things about them. So this one, I'm gonna start with the fact that I really like how it just comes in a cute little bag. It's only £25 and the meat inside it is really delicious. It's mostly venison products, the Great Glen charcuterie one. So you have to like a little bit of a richer meaty flavour, which the venison is, but there are also a few mixed products of pork and venison, and it's all really well flavoured. Lots of nice chunky peppercorns in the salami, and you get both sliced salami and ones to slice yourself. This one, there's more variation. It's quite a big box considering you only get... So you get roughly the same amount of products in this one as that one, but it is more varied. So you've got like the smoked duck breast, you've got venison products and pork products. This was a real highlight, the fennel saucisson, really like that. Then here, it's much more expensive at £89.95 plus £12.50 if you want the wicker hamper, but you get loads. So you get loads of different sliced hams and salamis, you get snacking meat, you get loads of proper choritos and salamis and a duck rillette, which is like a coarse pate, and you've got crackers, chutney and andouille. So this has obviously got the best range, and because of the hamper situation, it is the most giftable. So if you want to give a gift to someone who really loves meat and charcuterie, this probably would be the best one. This is probably my favourite. And then I think maybe this one, just because it's really good value for money and I really like the venison products, but there are a few gems in here too. So that was really fun tasting all this charcuterie. Make sure you tune in next time when I'll be unboxing something else.